Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Telegram app. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the Telegram app. So as you can see, after you enter your phone number, you will see your chats right here. So you can contact with your own, contact on Telegram, or if you have a contact that already you have their phone number, and you will see them appearing right here. Okay, so you can just start going ahead to the contacts right here, and you will see who is in the Telegram and who's not. Okay, and as you can see right here, you will see that each one have a Telegram or don't have a Telegram. You will see right here that if they have a Telegram or not. Okay, and in the chat section you will see right here all of your chats, and you can enter the chats. If you have a channels or groups, you can always create them by clicking at the top right corner. You can create a new group, new contact, or a new channel as well, and you're gonna follow the steps to creating those criteria. In here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into the chats. Unlike like all other chats, you could just go ahead and message, add attachments if you wanted to, and if you want to add like a file, you can always like choose a file, or if you want to send a gift, you can always do that. If you want to send a location, right, you can always send them the location and whatnot. And here you will see the stickers that you have inside the Telegram that you can use for this chat. And of course you have the voice message. You can just hold the audio or the microphone icon, and you can start messaging with voice. Let me go back and just go ahead to the settings. You will see right here in the settings, this is the interface of your profile. Basically, you have right here your story settings and all that. If you want to open an archive for your stories, just open it. And if you want to set a profile photo, if you want to edit something inside your profile, you can edit your name, last name, and if you want to change a number, you can always do that. And if you want to change color of your chats, you can always do that. And here you will see the saved messages, recent calls, and the device. If you want to link a device to a Telegram desktop, you can always do that by just opening the camera to the barcode inside the Telegram website. And here you will see chat folders and all that. And if you want to create a folder for your chats, you can always do that in order to save up your chats. In here, notification and sounds, basically you can toggle it on or toggle it off. Privacy and security, if you want phone number shared by your contacts only, or you want it to be private, you can always keep it private. And if you want your availability to be seen by everyone, you can just leave it with everyone or nobody, and the same goes with all of those steps, right? So let me go back right here, and you're gonna see data and storage. If you want to see the settings of your data, if you want your cellular data to use how much megabyte or your files in the cellular data, and the same goes for your Wi-Fi and whatnot. Okay, and here you will see the power saving. If you want power saving mode below the 60%, or you can always reduce or increase the power saving mode. Let me go back in the language itself. If you want to change the language, basically you will be able to change the language. So basically this is the Telegram app in a nutshell. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.